Falcone. Short. Rebound Susa. 33 seconds.
Halika! Oy!
18 to shoot. No good. 14 to shoot.
Travel.
Traveling violation. 15.
Tayo ka. Paulo.
10. 5. There's a call. 2-6. Autentico.
Double.
Kampangay. Wala. Rebound.
Nice.
Rosales.
Kwa, uno.
Foul. Down. Magun siya. Intercepted by Bukla.
Hira.
Nakakuha ni Rosales. Kaya si Rosales sinara si Autentico.
Nice pass.
Pass to Rosales. Taiwan libre. Connect 2 points.
Balik na.
3.
Laom lang, importante ha, laom lang.
Autentico pass to Kampangay. Wala. Rebound Rosales. There's a call. There's last touch. Autentico. Pinasa sa gilid. Balik kay Autentico. Susa. 4-3. No good. Last. Menyosa. Pastor Sales. Back to Menyosa. Pull up. Pinasa kay Magunsha. Nice connection play between Menyosa and Magunsha. (27 against 23). Up by 4 points Poblacion. Agawan ng Buko. Bola ng Poblacion. Menyosa now. Looking for the pass. Pass to Rosales. Rosales sinaras ni Autentico. Rosales pinasa sa ilalim. Magunsha pass to Cliuas. 14 to shoot. Magunsha intercepted by Bukila. Bukila now nagbabali. Waiting for his companion. Bukila to Autentico. Autentico binalik kay Bukila. He lost the ball. Turnover bola ng Menyosa. Rosales fakes. 5 minutes left. Floater no good. Rebound. Autentico. Pass to Bukila. Bukila to Sosa. Wala. Niyapon. Tak dito kasambot.
No.
Ang mga hawad doon di makasabot.
Box out. GM.
Vitamins nas mga kuhan. Idaran. 18 to shoot. Rosales. Magunsha. One-hander short. Tai. 4 na punto sa kinahabol ng Mangrove. Sosa. One-hander. Wala. Kampangay wala niya po. Maglisod pag-adjust ang taga-Mangrove. Villaver. Wala. Rebound. Autentico to Kampangay. Charo. Connects 2 points by Kampangay. Okay. 4 minutes. Filipino. Wala. Susa for the rebound. Ako ni Autentico. Pass to Susa. Susa now nagpaudali. Susa fade away for 2. What the time? 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Menyosa. Pumukol ng 3. God bless. Bang! Wins. Up by 3 points. Poblacion. Susa. Kampangay. Fake. Kampangay. Running shot. Wala. Nakakuha ni Susa. 14 to shoot. Nakakuha ni Kampangay. 10 to shoot. 3 minutes. No good. There's a goal. Shot clock is 14. First personal foul. Magunsha number 3. Wala. 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Magunsha. Hesse moves. Pass to Rosales. Rosales libre sa 3. No good. 14 to shoot. Menyosa na naman. No good. Rebound. Magunsya. 10 to shoot. Last touch. Tiko. 14 to shoot. Kambangay. Check that down to 10. 5 to shoot. Connect 2 points by shooting. 2 minutes. Third quarter. Magunsya. Floater. No good. Rebound Kambangay. Autentico to Kambangay. Wala. Rebound Filipino.
Ano susa may hingigo dun?
Binido na nagbabala ng pinasa kay Villaber. Villaber. Last touch. Touch to shoot. 14 to shoot. Filipino. Short. Rebound Bonado. Bagay. No. Last touch. Twenty seconds shot clock. Cleopas slides it up for 3. No good. Rebound Rosales. Na stepping. 18 to shoot. Kampanay. Wala. Rebound Abinido. Nakuha ni Rosales. 1 minute left. Rosales. Wala. Rebound Rosales again. Abinido. Offensive foul. 18 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Shot clock with 14. Nakuha ni Otida. Last 40 seconds. $14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Right. 5. End of the